Manufacturing in motion. Interlocking cycles of activity that create exceptional value, enabling people and driving towards a sustainable and prosperous future. With services for connectivity, security, operations, design and ESG, Fujitsu will help you be more productive, innovative and successful. As a manufacturer, Fujitsu understands how to optimize your critical processes, driving efficiency, enabling innovation, and delivering sustainability. Our mission is to use our expertise to help you become more productive and prepared for the next digital wave. As materials arrive on site, they are automatically inducted into a unified network of processes and operations, with high-performance Fujitsu private wireless networks to ensure constant connectivity. Fujitsu's technology delivers complete asset, material and tool tracking, giving you control over all activities. Data-driven operations require operational technology security and advanced threat protection, which Fujitsu provides from its state-of-the-art network of security operations centers. Fujitsu's industrial metaverse is a fully immersive solution for designing, operating, virtually training engineers, and implementing factory layouts and processes. Execute virtual changes in an exact, connected replica of your facility, iterating the design until it's ready for reality, and improve quality with advanced AI-driven defect recognition. Fujitsu's holistic digital thread environment enables you to meet and exceed your operational OEE and ESG goals. You can understand and adapt the environmental impact of your activities at any level of granularity, and you can realize the value of the circular economy by tracking components and processes throughout their life cycle. Fujitsu empowers people and creates new opportunities to adapt and grow with your business. At Fujitsu, we believe in putting people at the heart of the business, and with our digital tools, teams can take personal growth and continuous improvement to a new level, helping to evolve the business to new heights of performance. Fujitsu, manufacturing in motion.